This is a tutorial for the footer options. The footer options can be accessed in Options and then Footer. And for those of you not familiar, a footer is basically the opposite of a header. A footer is always going to be at the bottom of a website or the foot of a website, just like how a header is always at the top or the head of a website. A footer is always going to be at the bottom below any other widgets you put in your main pages. So if you want to add a widget to the very bottom of the site, you would simply add a widget in the footer. So if you wanted to put text or a picture or something, you can do a simple content block. And then here you would put any text or pictures that you want. We can put some footer text and even upload an image. So now once this is saved, we'll scroll all the way down to the website, very bottom, and you'll see there is our footer, the title, text, and the image. And you can rearrange the image and the title just like any other content block. And just keep in mind that this is always going to be at the bottom below any other widgets that you put on your main page, and that's the point of a footer.